get her pulled out. So we're just going to push this pile up just so we can get this rock all nice and mixed in here for a minute, and then we'll get some rock put up in the building. Yeah. We just got this loader not too long ago, a couple weeks back, and it's been doing pretty good. We finally got the kinks and all that kind of fun jazz figured out. What the hell's going on with this mic? There we go. Got the kinks figured out, I think. We had a couple of sensors go out right off the bat. So Ziegler Cat came out to fix that, and she's purring like a kitten now. Get it? It's a cat loader. Man, who would have thunk? Never in my wildest dreams, but I think I'd be pushing rock and sand piles on a Saturday morning in the United States. Being born and raised in South Africa. It's got a nice little backup camera here. I guess I don't know how much you guys can actually see of it because of the exposure, but we'll put a couple of buckets of this rock up there, and I'll come back to you guys when we start doing the sand. I've got no idea how this footage is turning out to be, but we're just kind of winging it. I mean, I gotta start somewhere, right? One good old scoop of sand. Make sure there's nobody behind us. And off we go. Might be asking, why am I not just dumping the sand in the hopper? So if I do that, it ends up compacting the sand so bad that once the door on the bottom of the hopper opens, nothing's coming out. So it just makes it easier to get the sand out of the hopper if you just kind of feather it in there instead of just dropping a bucket. Kind of working my way on this east end of the pile to get the sand to stay on the concrete pad that we've got back here. For some reason, sand has a tendency to walk away, or try to, anyways. See, my first truck is back, so that's good news. Let's go put the sucker away, and then actually, you know what? Better do two more things, well, one more thing at least. I scooped out the back room here, so should probably get rid of these piles that's out here. Just so I don't end up solidifying and then be a couple speed bumps in the road here. Now we're ready. Turbo cool down for a second, and we're good and dandy.